Welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. So you're here because you bought a new cutting board or a gently used cutting board. Someone passed it down to you, or secondhand, or one of the above. Or yours is just old, starting to get a little fuzzies, I call it, or pricklies, or wood chips or pieces. You're starting to feel things on top of it. It don't feel as smooth as it did when you first got it, right? So we're gonna talk about how we can fix that. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna voice over this so it's not so long. It's gonna be nice and simple, but we're gonna get your board where it needs to be and how you want it to feel and look. This is my board. I got it from a secondhand store. I actually paid 10 cents, and this is by Simply Bamboo, so it's 100% bamboo. And I was kind of iffy because it's used, and I don't know. I'm like, you know what? Let me resurface this and let me sanitize this. So you guys are gonna see that in the video. Keep watching. All right, so these are the items you're gonna need: vinegar, baking soda, your 220 grit, and the sander of your choice. I always recommend orbitals because you don't have to go with the grain. You don't have to worry about it being inconsistent sanding marks. But you can also use a sanding block if you choose to, but try to go and stay in the 200s to, you know, not make it grainy. You want to bring the smooth texture back, so that's what we're doing. So just stay tuned. I'm going to voice over. I have to change my clothes because I don't want to get all dusty and it's black, so keep on watching, guys. All right, I wanted to step in and say to you guys, this is an orbital sander, so you do not have to go with the grain, but I just chose to go with the grain just because I just feel like it's safer when you do go with the grain. Make sure you get all the edges all around, because mine had some splitting pieces of wood around the edges, and those could cause splinters. So we want to get this thing really smooth, and just take your time, guys. You can do this with or without a sander. All right, guys. It's just that simple. I resurfaced it. Look, it's like a natural looking bamboo now. It looks amazing. I just wanted to come in and show you that. Like, it's so smooth. Oh, like a baby's bottom. We got to get all this dust off. So we're going to sanitize it, and that's the next step. Guys, remember, I am a newly single mom. Newly single. Been a mom, been married for many years, and newly single, and I have a fixer-upper, and I'm starting all over on my own with fixing up a fixer-upper, creating a home for myself and my daughter. And I'm sharing all the things that I do. Like, my stuff is in storage. I have a bamboo board. I didn't want to buy another one. I got that nice big one from IKEA, and I seen this one, 10 cents. You can't beat it. And I was gonna go buy another one just because I needed one, because I cook a lot of great recipes on my channel as well. So yeah, I just want to show y'all, if you find one, don't toot your nose up at it. You can resurface it and bring it back to life and make it look nice and brand new again, like I did. All I'm going to do and show y'all the next steps, which is so simple. So let's get into the next step. So as you can see, it's very self-explanatory. You want to spread some baking soda over the actual board, add some vinegar, and then you're just going to rub, wipe to get all that dust off and to actually sanitize it. So after you do this, then you're going to take some napkins. You're not going to wet them because you don't want to dampen this too much, and you don't want it to be soaked. And then after I do this, all I did was set mine in front of my fan so it can air dry faster and not build any mold. Well, they don't really build mold, but any type of bacteria or anything on it. And that is how you replenish your bamboo cutting board.